So when I bought the bike, the front tires looked terrible. Looked like it was kind of like protruding, like maybe somebody hit a pothole or something happened with it. So we're gonna take that off and change it. This is a 22. So first thing we're gonna do is break this axle nut free. Gonna loosen it up. Just leave it a little loose for now. Now using a 14, we're gonna break the nuts that hold the brake caliper on. We have to remove that. Once you're done backing these out, just go ahead and remove them. This should wiggle out. Be careful not to scratch your wheels. There it is. We'll just let that hang. Looking at the brakes, they look kind of old and dirty, so we'll get a set. This right here is a 12. These are cinch bolts. You gotta go ahead and take the cinch bolts off of the fork. Once we get this side off, we'll move to the other side. And then again, using a 14, we're gonna repeat this procedure on the left caliper. With the 12, you're gonna go back over here and you're gonna get these cinch bolts off as well. All right, now that those two are out, we can push the actual axle bolt out. Now it's time to take the axle bolt off. You can remove the rest of the axle bolt, which I didn't do on this side. We'll do that now. Then moving back over here, what I'm going to do is lift some weight off the wheel, and this axle bolt should be coming off. Let me try to push it through. At this point, you just want to lift some weight off the tire so you can pull the nut through. It'd be nice to have two hands while doing this, but you can manage with one. You kind of manipulate the wheel. Check out that tire. I don't know if you could tell, but it's pretty messed up. Now going for the rear wheel. I don't have a 32. I know that's a 32. So what I did was I got my big ass wrench, and as soon as I put it like barely in it, this thing was loose. I mean, imagine just jumping on a freeway with that. Really got to watch these bikes when you buy them, go through them. Just saying. And to make matters even worse, I think this thread is supposed to be on the right side. I'll verify that again with the manual, but I'm pretty sure that is on backwards. I'm just going to start by tapping it through a little bit and getting that out. Let the tire pull forward a little bit, and that's how you get the chain off. chain off. Let it hang right there. And then back to the right side. Now watch the caliper. It's just a free floating caliper. It just connects. Once you kind of get that off, hang your caliper and your wheels off. Just got to make sure you remember how everything goes. And there it is. The reason I took this off is because they had it on backwards. It was traveling the wrong direction. This is the rear brake pad. Of course, there's one caliper. We'll also change that. Just waiting to get the front tire in the mail. Rear wheel still looks pretty new. I'm gonna have it verified and put back on. It's only 1 year old, according to the date stamp. So we'll get that back together. And still waiting on ignition coils, spark plugs, oil change kit, K&N air filter, and a couple more things. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.